So, welcome to another video. In this video it's actually time to change the wiper blades on my 2025 Tesla Model 3 Performance. And I've done a lot of research. First of all, maybe like you've looked for Tesla replacement wiper blades in the Tesla app in the store. And I've noticed that the set of two will cost you over €60, $60. That's, I think, really a lot of money. So after doing a lot of research, I discovered that the Bosch, and I'll show it to you, the Bosch A102S, the A102S, the A102S, this model right here, that they are exactly the same wiper blade, the OEM wiper blade used by Tesla on this car. So if you're in the market for new Tesla Model 3 wiper blades and you want to have the exact OEM one that Tesla uses from Bosch, but don't pay over double the price, then you need to get these Bosch ones, for which I put a link in the description below. Let me show you exactly what they look like next to the OEM wiper blades, and you can see for yourself what I mean. And here, if you look at the back, you will also see right here under my finger that they're compatible with the Tesla Model 3. So if you have Tesla Model Y, you need different wiper blades, but for Tesla Model 3, these are the same ones as the OEM that Tesla uses and sells in their shop at the premium price. So, and just make sure that when you do put your wiper blades into service mode, that you put here a microfiber towel or something at least under this holder, because this really has a lot of force, and if you drop it out of your hands, you can shatter your glass immediately. So here I have the original wiper that came with the Tesla, and here I have the replacement one, and as you can see, they're exactly identical. They have the same shape, the same button, the same length, the same width. The only difference is that here at the end, and you can see that, I hope you can see that, here, Tesla has no name on there, not even their own logo, and Bosch puts their own name on there. And that's really the only difference. Yeah, and normally with such packages, normally you also get a set of adapters, so that you can fit them on different types of car. That's also not included. So this one's really made for Tesla. Yeah, and because it's so simple and there's no adapters needed, you can just grab it and you can just take it here, align it, and just slide it right in. You need to wiggle it a bit and it clicks into place and you're done. And that's so simple. Yeah, let me know how long you lasted. Let me know how long your Tesla Model 3 wiper blades lasted. I've had the car for just over a year now, and I noticed it started streaking and making noises. So that's really when it's time to replace. So I'm also going to replace the other one. And you know, I think maybe also another thing why they maybe wore down a little bit faster than what I'm used to for wiper blades is, yeah, maybe also because when I have this car, I always have the wiper blades set on auto mode. And then sometimes they tend to dry wipe a little bit more often than what I like, of course. And we all know that the Tesla doesn't have real rain sensors. So yeah, it uses all sorts of other technologies to determine whether it needs to be wiped. Sometimes it just doesn't get it raw right. And it'll wipe too strong when there's too little water on there. And I think that's also a reason why maybe they wore down too much faster, because of this excessive dry wiping. So there's... I think I'm going to turn that one off, and then when I notice the rain is actually coming with the toggle wheel, I'll activate it, and then I'll let the technology do its magic. But aside of that, I think it's better to have auto mode off, so that you don't get these incidental wipes here on your car. Sehr schön. So, and a small bonus tip is that you clean a little bit under the area where your wiper blades will land, so that they don't immediately sit in the dirt. So, and that's already it. There's not much more to it. It's not rocket science. If you want to save yourself some significant money and still have the OEM wiper blades that Tesla uses, then get these Bosch A102S that I'll put a link in the description below. You can pick them up straight from Amazon. More than half the price of what you pay in the Tesla store. I hope you found it a useful video. I'm going to take this nice Tesla Model 3 Performance for a spin here in the German Sauerland. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Auf Wiedersehen.